Welcome back, guys. So today I'm driving along this Nyeri-Nairobi Highway, and I want to show you the most dangerous part of this road. It's definitely well constructed, but the way it winds and curves and the sharp corners are what makes it dangerous. And as you always know, whenever you are driving, you usually have a conversation with the road and other motorists. So you got to listen to what the road tells you. You got to listen to what the other motorists are telling you. And if you adhere to that, you'll not find yourself causing accidents or doing other things. So hop in and let's go. So it's definitely going to be a noisy affair, but pardon me, my audio will not be that great, but I'm striving to give you the best anyway. So as I was saying, whenever you are driving, you're having a conversation with the road, and you're wondering, how does the road talk to me as a motorist? What happens is, as you can see in front of us, at this stretch, there is a continuous yellow line. That means that you're not supposed to overtake. And in no circumstance are you allowed to overtake. So if you listen to that, you'll not find yourself having a head-on collision. And as you can see, there is the reason why this yellow line is here, because at that particular spot you could not see what was coming ahead. So that's it. So there is places that you'll get a continuous line. There are other places that you'll get dotted line, and dotted line, the road is telling you you can overtake. As you can see in front of us, there is a sharp corner and the line is continuous. So this means you're not supposed to overtake, because it might be you're not seeing what is happening in front of you. You don't know what is coming. So to avoid a head-on collision or anything else, you're not supposed to overtake.
Jungle. Audio 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 Jungle.
As you can see, there is a dotted line and a continuous line. That line means all those who are on my right can overtake, but they gotta be careful. So yes. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and consider hitting the like button if you learned something today. Subscribe please if you have not done so, and always listen when the road talks.